Good morning children. Welcome to the new session. I am your GK teacher. My name is Saroj Lohani. Now let's begin. Our first chapter is Endangered Wildlife. Endangered means those who are disappearing from the earth or those who have disappeared from the earth, becoming extinct. When the numbers of a species of animal become very low, they face the risk of becoming extinct. Read about some endangered animals and fill in the missing letters in the block to name them. Now you have to fill in the blocks. You have to write the answers. They are found is, first one is, they are found in Eastern and Central Africa. Their color changes from brown to grey and can run at 50 km/h. They are hunted for their horns. Today they are critically endangered and fighting for their survival. The answer is black rhino. First one's answer is B-L-A-C-K, black, R-H-I-N-O, rhino. Second one, they are the largest creature ever to have lived on the earth, even bigger than the biggest dinosaurs. It weighs up to 200 tons and swims up to 25 miles an hour when it needs to. Answer is blue whale. B-L-U-E-W-H-A-L-E. Third, they have black and white fur and black eye patches. They live in the bamboo forests on the hills and mountains of central China, and their diet consists almost of bamboo stalks. Now the answer is giant panda. G-I-A-N-T, giant panda. 4. They were discovered in 1992. These rare mammals live in the Annamite range of mountains in Vietnam and Laos. They are very shy animals and rarely seen. The answer is saola. It is a kind of deer. S-A-O-L-A. S-A-O-L-A. 5. They are big cats and live in colder parts of the world and occasionally called ounces. They are meat eaters and hunt by stalking and ambushing their prey from above. They are capable of taking animals 3 times their weight. They are capable of taking animals 3 times their weight. And the answer is snow leopard. S-N-O-W, snow, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, snow leopard. Sixth is, this animal has no natural enemies. It lost the ability to fly. When the people came to Mauritius, it was eaten as food. They became extinct in the 17th century. Answer is dodo, because dodos have become extinct. D-O-D-O. Now children, second chapter is omitted from your syllabus. Now coming to the third chapter, good for you. Chapter 3, good for you. Nuts and seeds are good for our health. If you ever find yourself hungry, a handful of nuts or seeds is always a good choice. Now you have to solve this crossword puzzle to learn about some edible fruits and seeds and nuts. First we are reading across. Regular consumption of these nuts can help reduce the risk of lower high blood pressure. Now the consumption of these nuts can lower the high blood pressure, and the answer is walnut. Second one's answer is walnut. This is across, okay? This puzzle I am telling you the answers of this puzzle, which is across, okay? Not down, it is across. 5. These seeds are highly valued for their oil. They can prevent diseases like arthritis and asthma. Now the answer is sesame. Sixth, they are off-white in color, covered by a thin brownish skin. Such nuts boost brain power. Now the answer is, what is the answer? Almond. Okay. Almond means badam. Walnut means akroot. Okay. Sesame is also called till. Okay. In Hindi we call it till. Ninth, it is known as the smiling nut in Iran and the happy nut in China. Smiling nut in Iran and happy nut in China. The answer is pistachio. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं पिस्ता. Ninth answer is pistachio. Okay. Now down puzzle. They come in two colors, brown and yellow, and good for maintaining healthy skin and hair. What is the name? Flax seeds. First one is flax. In Hindi we call it alsi. They have a buttery sweet and salty taste and are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Answer is cashew. In Hindi we call it kaju. Third one, cashew. Fourth, it is a small oval seed, can help reduce joint pain and keep the digestive system healthy. What is this? It is called chia seeds. Chia. CHIA. It keeps our digestive system healthy. Seventh, they are also known as pepitas. These dark green seeds have a sweet, creamy and nutty flavor. Answer is pumpkin. Seventh one, PUMPKIN, pumpkin. Eighth, it is also called khaskhas in Hindi and posto in Bengali. It is widely used in Bengali cuisines. Answer is poppy. We call it posto or postadana. POPPY, poppy. Okay children, now these two exercises, these two chapters, chapter 3 and chapter 1, you have to write the answers in your GK book. Okay children, this much for today's class. In next class we will discuss about chapter 4. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.